So today I thought I will film a little Korean beauty haul for you. I have some skincare, I have some, makeup beauty items, and mostly products that I got from Yesstyle because that's kind of my go-to place for this kind of things. And also I have some products I got on iHerb. I know some of you really like these kind of videos, and I do love them as well because I love me some Korean beauty and some like Asian beauty, Japanese beauty. So I hope you will enjoy this one and keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the brand JennyHouse. I featured already on my channel the highlighting one that I absolutely love from them. So I decided to try their foundations. And these both came in a kit on Yesstyle. So the serum cushion foundation and the serum foundation regular in a tube. They're both in the shade 21, but there is a shade difference, which you will see in a second. And even though it has serum in the name, it's actually not a like moisturizing, hydrating foundation. It's definitely more of a radiant matte finish, which I do like. I still prefer more the cushion. I don't know why, just I like how it looks more on my skin. I don't know if it's like the same foundation in different tubes and cushions and different packaging, but for me it's not the same. I prefer the cushion. That's the end of the story. Lasts a very long time and I just like how it looks. It's like a medium kind of coverage. Now moving on, I have this product that I got on iHerb from Touch of Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This is kind of like a 2-in-1 primer and skincare. Leaves the most amazing and kind of wet looking glossy effect on the skin. Absolutely adore it, and also it's super hydrating. It kind of melts on the skin when it touches the skin, and I love this. It feels super comfortable and I just adore the glossy finish. I also use this not just as a primer but also on top of my foundation, and I adore it. So good. Now I also got a few of the Bibia blur tints. I don't know, I wanted to try this for some time, and a lot of like Korean bloggers rave about them. So I got this one in number 04, like an orangey red, super bright, intense color. It's kind of like a universal color when it comes to Korean lip tints because they do prefer these kind of colors. And then this neutral bright red, super nice. They do have this kind of moussey matte finish that looks absolutely stunning on the lips, and I actually really like this formula. I think this is my favorite formula for a lip tint from the Korean beauty market. And they also stain the lips a little bit, so they're super long lasting. Another packaging that I adore, another brand that I adore, it's Romand, the Zero Matte Lipsticks. Look at this packaging, it's just dreamy. And I got the shade 09. These are some of the new shades that I have. This is more of a peachy, very interesting peachy kind of shade. If you adore peachy shades, this will be a must-have for you. Then this rosy one, Dusty Pink, number 10. These again have that matte kind of lipstick format. Just melt on the lips and leave a matte kind of finish, but still not being super dry and not as matte as the Bbia Last tints, blur tints. And then this shade, which is more of a kind of burnt rose shade. Again, a shade that Korean girls really love. And then I also included the Dear Dahlia lipstick. This is from their holiday collection. I got this in the PR and I decided, let me share this with you as well because it looks so pretty. Super stunning, and I adore again the color. More of a vanity object for me, for to stay there and to look pretty. I'm not gonna wear it, but decided just to share with you the Pony Effect matte lip lacquer. Kind of similar to the Bibia one, but not as matte. This one feels a bit more moisturizing. And I also got the shade, which is again that burnt rose kind of shade. I prefer the Bibia lip product. But I guess if you do love more of a hydrating, moussey lip product, this will be definitely something for you. And I love the packaging too. And the lip applicator, I think it's better. It's more flexible. The Bbia Last Blush Contour. You know that I used in the past some other shades. I still have them, still use them all the time. And here are the new contour shades, 11 and 10. 11 is definitely that super ashy for super fair skin kind of contour. I do prefer number 10. I think it's just gorgeous. It's still ashy but more neutral, and I love how they just blend kind of seamlessly. the Bibia contour blushes and the Tantour from Huda Beauty are my favorite contour products ever. Next, I got another palette from 3C, the Mini Multi-Eye palette. This one is in Diamond Glint. You know that I have a couple more palettes from this range, and I decided to get this one because this is like a perfect taupe eye palette, because you have all these super glittery, juicy kind of shades. You have one shade which is literally just glitter, but has that stickiness to it, so it still shows. And these are the swatches, so yeah, just like pure toppers. And these are my beauties, all my 3 palettes. I adore these so much. The Glitter Bomb, Almond Fudge, and Diamond Glint. All the sisters in one place. I also got from Manyo Factory the Our Vegan Sun creams. They do have 2 versions, one which is like the regular and one which is cica, so it contains Centella asiatica, and because I'm a massive fan of Centella asiatica, it works great for blemishes, you know, like problematic skin. I decided that I need this, especially my sunscreen. And the normal one feels super light, airy, just again like kind of melts on the skin. And yeah, it's super comfortable if you like to wear your sunscreen to have that super comfortable feeling underneath your makeup. This will be definitely a product for you. And the cica one leaves a bit of a white cast, but it's not too bad, I feel like, and it works great for underneath my makeup because I tried that one, so I don't mind it, especially because I have Centella asiatica in them, so it's okay for me. And of course, I got some more masks. The Midnight Blue Calming Mask from Claire's, a staple in my routines. So yeah, I always like to get some of those. And then I decided to try this one from Hygee because it's another brand that I love. And I also got a Heimish All Clean Cleansing Balm. This is in a travel size, 50 grams. And I thought, you know, hey, why not buying this in 50 grams? It will be the perfect travel companion, even though I'm not traveling anywhere right now. But yeah, it's a nice size to have for wherever I travel. So yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this little haul, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.